To DJH Prestige Sports. We've just took this Volvo XC60. It's coming part exchange. It is not sold up to our retail standards. Just wants a bit too much work for us to get involved with. So it's sold, priced very low to clear. And there's a few issues I just want to show you. So this side of the body looks quite nice. As you can see. But this side does have a scrape down the side. You can see that down there. Okay. So please be aware of that. That's why it's priced low. Okay. Boot area's all right. Parcel shelf. Interior's not too bad for its mileage. It does have a sunroof, but that does seem to have been sealed closed. So I'm just going to show you that, so you know everything and you get no surprises. So it's a bit warm there. It has had the cam belt done at 100,000. It's done 136,731 miles. Starts and drives lovely. Your window buttons. There. It's got satellite navigation on it. Just start up at cruise control. So mechanically it seems okay. We're not putting a warranty on the car. Also, it's got Bluetooth connectivity as well. Sounds lovely. So you're aware, car's got a few issues. That's why it's cheap. We're not getting involved. It's sold as it is. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.